everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle. I am a wife, a mom, and a pretend chef, and today I'm going to be making some crispy crouton breaded chicken tenders. I'm really excited about this. These are so delicious, okay? The breading has Parmesan cheese in it and they are everything. So if you're interested in learning how to make them, then keep watching.
I've already gone ahead and cut my chicken into tenders and tenderized them with a meat mallet. And croutons are normally already well seasoned and make a great breading because they're so crunchy. But I want to make sure these taste good on the inside, so I'm going to go ahead and season them with some Adobo Seasoning. And then of course a little black pepper, some chili powder, and just a little bit of cayenne pepper. And then I'm going to rub the seasoning into the chicken really well with my hands. And once you're done with that, just go ahead and set that aside in the refrigerator. Okay, now for the breading. I'm using Italian seasoned croutons for this, but you can use whatever your favorite croutons are. We're just going to empty them into a Ziploc bag, leaving a little bit of room at the top. And don't be like me, make sure that they're all the way sealed before you start to crush them with your rolling pin, okay? And obviously, if you don't have a rolling pin, you can use like a meat mallet or a can, just whatever you have handy. Alright, so go ahead and empty those croutons into a bowl. And now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese to it, okay? So I am going to use a little more than half a cup, but you can use more or less, it's totally up to you. And just go ahead and stir that all up. And the next thing we're going to do is just empty some all-purpose flour onto a plate with a little bit of cayenne pepper, or you can just add salt and pepper. And the last thing we need to do before we get those tenders breaded is to make an egg wash. So I'm just whisking together 2 large eggs with a little bit of water. Alright, so first you want to dredge each piece of chicken in flour like so. And then make sure you get both sides obviously, and then just shake off any excess flour that's on there. You don't want it too coated. Then you're going to dip each piece of chicken in the egg wash. And the last step is just to get it really well coated with those crouton crumbles. Make sure you spray down your air fryer really good with some cooking spray so that they don't stick to the pan. And if you've used an air fryer before, you already know this, but it's important not to overcrowd the drawer of the air fryer. So if you need to make these in batches, definitely do that. It's well worth it. Okay, so we're gonna put these in for 20 minutes at 380 degrees. Let that air fryer do its magic, and that's it. See, super easy, super quick, super crunchy, and so good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy and delicious home-cooked meals. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you guys in the next one.